This is a special resolution of condolences of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo to the bereaved family of the late Police Deputy Director General Edmundo Lavilla La Rosa. Whereas the passing of the late Police Deputy Director General Edmundo Lavilla La Rosa on May 22, 2023 reached the knowledge of the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo and the Iloilo Provincial Government. Whereas the late Police Deputy Director General Edmundo Lavilla La Rosa rendered his services as the officer in charge of the Philippine National Police from May 1999 to November 1999 under the administration of former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada. Whereas he is a native of Barangay Pandan, Lambunao, Iloilo, and a resident of Altachera Village, Haro, Iloilo City. Whereas the recollection of the meritorious deeds of the late Police Deputy Director La Rosa deserves to be recognized by the province. Whereas through this special resolution, a resolution of condolences, the late Police Deputy Director General La Rosa's efforts in public service is remembered and will forever be valued by this province and its constituency. Be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved by the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo, that a special resolution of condolences of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo to the bereaved family of the late Police Deputy Director General Edmundo Lavilla La Rosa. Further, resolved further to give a copy of this resolution to the family of the late Police Deputy Director General Edmundo Lavilla La Rosa. Mr. Chair, subject to additional information that will be included in the final form.
Yes, okay.
May I be the court consultant?
Yes, of
And
course.
board member Disturan.
Thank you.
I so moved and request subject to further, as requested by the proposer, subject to further enrichment of the proposed resolution and the inclusion of the two board members. And we also extend our condolence to the proposer, the author of this resolution, because I think he is the deceased is the uncle of board member Jason Gonzalez. I so move.
So moved. Any second? Unanimously seconded. The said motion is hereby approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Floor Leader.